Hello everyone, welcome to the Virtual Assistant Crib where we teach you how to succeed as a skilled sought after virtual assistant SSVA. Yeah. So SSAVA. So my goal is to make you to optimize you. Yes, to make you a very, you know, good virtual assistant so you can make life easy for your clients and also for yourself. So our last video was on how to manage your client's calendar. But today I'm going to teach us how to um create an appointment, a bookable calendar for your clients. Yes, now using Google Calendar. Google Calendar added a new feature, that you can create booking time so that when clients want to schedule appointment with you, yours is just to send your booking link and they just click on it. In the past, we use Calendly to do this, but Google Calendar they added it as part as a new feature on Google Calendar. Even if you're on the free version, you are not using Google Workspace, you can also have access to it. Because me, I'm not using Google Workspace. This is just my Google Calendar. Now, excuse me. So for you to get this that appointment schedule link, you come here. Now you see it, we have events. Our previous video I taught us how to create event tags. So today I'm going to teach us how to make use of this appointment schedule feature in Google Calendar. Now we have to do what? Click here. Okay. So you add the title. Now you can this can be your sales call. I always use sales call because I'm also a sales virtual assistant. I help clients to do cold calling, telemarketing, cold calling, email, cold emailing, email marketing. I help clients to do this. So if you need someone to help you cold call, reach out to me. If you need someone to help you send bulk cold emails to your leads, reach out to me. If you need someone to do customer service, customer support, reach out to me as well. Thank you. So let's go back to what we're doing. Now let's say this is my sales booking calendar. So let me just use it. It's Isabella's. Okay, Coach Bella. Let's use Coach Bella. Example, Coach Bella's Coach Bella. Okay. Now, this is appointment duration. How long do you want your customers to schedule appointment with you? Is it 1 hour? You want your booking consultation to be 1 hour? You want it to be 30 minutes? It's all left for you. So you just come here, click. If you want 1 hour. If you want it more than 2 hours, you click on customize. This is it. When you click on customize, you're able to choose the number of hours that you want. Let's say if you want 5 hours, you do it. If you want 3 hours, you do it. If you want below that, can we? Okay, you have to change it here to minutes. If you want it to be minutes, let's say you want 15 minutes. 15 minutes, okay. If you want it to be 15 minutes, you click on. If you want it to be 30 minutes, 30 minutes, you click on it. Done. Voila, you have it here, 30 minutes. Okay. So now, if you want this to be repeating weekly, that means anybody can come to your booking page and do what? Book meeting with you. This should be done weekly. If you don't want it weekly, you can also customize like I did just now. So let's just leave it at weekly. Now, this is the time. On Sundays, you are not available. Okay. Now you're available from Monday to Friday, which is normal working days. What time? From 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. If you are not available all through, you can add another period to this day if you want to, or you can also remove. Maybe your break time, you can put it here that you don't want it. Sorry, there's a place you're supposed to. Okay, you're unavailable. You're not available on Monday. or if you're available, you put it 9 a.m. You put the time. You can choose the time that you will be available. If you're not available by 9 a.m. on Mondays, you can put, let's say, 1 p.m. to 5 p.m. for just Monday. Now this is duplicate, copy time to all. That means when you click on this, it will now copy itself. All these other days will have 1 p.m. to 5 p.m. Okay, so it's now left for you to pick the right time. You can also, if you won't be available one as in 5 p.m., you can bring it up. If it's 4 p.m., put it there. Okay, so if same thing on Tuesday, you do it here. Same thing on Friday, you do it. Anytime you can modify the time, to fit in your client's time, your client availability. Yes, so that's that. So scheduling windows, 60 days in advance to 4 hours before. Okay, that means limit the time range that appointments can be booked. If you're available now, click on it. Start and end date, limit the date range for all appointments. So if you won't be available by so date and so date, you put it here. Now, maximum time in advance that an appointment can be booked, 60 days. Anything less than, you can reduce it. If you want 30, you put it. That's the maximum time. That means your calendar will be free for 60 days. As in 60 days, that's when people can come and book appointments. So that's it. Now, minimum time before the appointment start, it can be booked, let's say 4 hours before your time, before the time. This means, let's say the appointment is by what's it by my time now? Here in Nigeria is 12:42. Let's say the appointment is stated to be around 7 p.m. in the evening. They can book. You can book it. If you want 3 hours, you can reduce it. If it's 3 hours, you can, book it. So that's that for that one. Now, you can change a date availability, indicate times you're available for specific dates. Let's click on it and see. Now, for today, you click if you're not available today, just adjust it to fit in what you want. Okay? Book appointment setting, no buffer time, no maximum booking per day. Guest and pass permission. Let's see. Okay. Okay. So guests can invite others after booking. Maybe you want your guest to invite another person to your calendar to the meeting. You can put that there. Okay, now this is my calendar. Avoid scheduling conflicts. Okay, well, we don't need this. So that's it. Then if you are okay with um with your settings, you just click save. That's the save button there. Click on save. Okay. So now you can now copy this link and share to someone. Let's copy the link and share to Isabella. Okay, I didn't edit something. This is the booking form. If you want someone to fill your form, I'm supposed to see it there. Why didn't it show up? Okay, booking form. No, I'm not showing here. Booking form. That's where you have name, email, the information, contact details, your information that you want your visitors to fill in before the appointment date or time. So you can just edit it there. I don't know why I'm not seeing this. Okay, I can't move this. Okay. So you just click on next. Okay. Okay, you can add your booking page photo. If you have photo, let's see. I already have mine here. You know. Then you can select how and where to meet. If it's on Google Meet here, okay, let's see. Google Meet, you can add it. If you want Google Meet, your meeting to be on Google Meet, you add it. If it's a phone, the person making the appointment will provide the phone number. Now in person, if it's a physical meeting, you add it there. Physical location, okay. So me, I always like use Google Meet, no need to stress ourselves. But it all depends on your client, whatever your client want. But this one is a personal. But now you add That means when you put this now, a meet link will be generated after the person books meeting. So once the person books time, it will generate meeting link for the person so that once it's time, the person can join through that link. Now you can add description, add a note that explains your service. This will appear on your booking page and confirmation emails. Now we add, let's say the sales call is this, is all about how to sell, let's say how to sell your services in 1 hour. Let's just say that's, let's just put it that way. You know, how to sell something in 1 hour. That's what I'll be teaching, or counseling my clients on. Now we have booking form. Okay, booking form. What's inside the booking form? First name. This is the first name. Last name. Email address. That means when somebody or a customer comes and book appointment with you, this booking form will be sent to the person so the person can log in their information and you will receive it at your own end. Okay, so this one is payment not required, no cancellation. This one we don't need this. Booking confirmation and reminders. You can set a reminder. You can set a reminder. You and the person who made the appointment will get a confirmation email with a calendar invite. So that's that. Then you click on save. Okay, so now this is it. This is my booking page, Coach Bella. Now you want to send this link to someone, you can just copy link here. Copy the link, copy link. Now let's paste the link in Isabella's um dashboard. Let's paste it here for Isabella. It will now, it will open. Let's say Isabella wants to book appointment. Okay, so now this is it. So Isabella can now book appointment anytime she wants. If she's free, this is Edith's Coach Bella's calendar. Now Isabella can now book appointment she wants to book. Let's say she wants to book appointment because Bella is free all this time. She's free, so you can book appointment. This is Monday. She's free all this time on Monday. She's free all this time on Tuesday. So which day do you want to and time you want to book appointment with Bella? Just click here now. Okay, this is it. First name Isabella, last name John. Let's just say for example. Now this is email address. Okay, then you save. Save. Booking confirm. So automatically you receive the email, receive name and all of that. So let's check Edith's the Coach Bella's calendar, the one we created. Let's check it if she must have received notification. It's coming up. Okay, let's click on Coach Bella. Okay. Sorry, check her email. Also check her emails. This is it. Appointment booked. Coach Bella. This is it. Now, Coach Bella has received what? She has Isabella has booked the appointment and Coach Bella received it here. This is it now. So if it's comfortable for Coach Bella, she just click yes. Yes. And Isabella will receive what? She will receive a notification as well. Let's check her email. She's supposed to receive a notification. This is it. New appointment booked. You see? It's very easy and simple. Okay? So new appointment book. Coach Bella. She already clicked yes. That's it. This is it. This is it. How to sell your service in 1 hour. That is the title of Coach Bella's services. and it's very simple. So that's it. So don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel and like this video so that YouTube will keep pushing my video. And that's the only way you can say thank you for the free knowledge that I'm giving out. So I see you next time on my next video. I love you so much. Bye for now.